Artificial intelligence is transforming how organizations make decisions, from approving loans to screening job candidates. But here's the question: who audits the AI? In today's video, we'll walk through a practical step-by-step guide on how internal auditors can effectively audit AI systems, ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability. AI is no longer futuristic. It's mainstream. From chatbots to predictive analytics, AI influences key business processes every day. However, with automation comes risk, biased data, opaque models, and regulatory exposure. The internal auditor's role has expanded. It's now about ensuring AI systems are trustworthy, ethical, and well-governed. To audit AI, you need to understand how it works. Every AI system has four main stages: data, model development, deployment, and monitoring. Unlike traditional IT systems, AI evolves over time. It learns, adapts, and sometimes behaves unpredictably. Internal auditors can align their work with established frameworks like COSO, COBIT, and the NIST AI Risk Management Framework. The new ISO 42001 standard sets out how organizations should manage AI responsibly, a great reference for your audits. Every good audit starts with planning. Define your objectives. What's the AI system's purpose? What decisions does it influence? Identify stakeholders, data scientists, compliance officers, business owners, and don't forget to consider applicable regulations like GDPR or your company's AI ethics policy. Governance is the foundation of AI assurance. Ask, who owns the AI strategy? Is there a responsible AI policy? Are roles and accountabilities clear? The presence of an AI ethics committee or governance board is a positive sign. Data is the fuel of AI, and poor data equals poor outcomes. As auditors, test for accuracy, completeness, and representativeness. Review data lineage and sources. Also, check for bias. Does the model treat certain groups unfairly? Next, review how the model was developed. Was the algorithm choice documented? Were fairness and accuracy tested? Check version control. Can the model be reproduced and validated? Deployment is where AI meets the real world. Check if deployment approvals are documented. Are models monitored continuously? Is there a retraining schedule when performance drifts? AI brings new cybersecurity challenges, such as adversarial attacks and model manipulation. Audit access control, model integrity, and logging. Ensure AI systems integrate with your existing security frameworks. Translate your findings into clear, actionable reports. Avoid technical jargon. Link findings to business risks and outcomes. Highlight control gaps and suggest practical improvements. To stay ahead, internal auditors need continuous learning in AI. Learn basic machine learning concepts, collaborate with data scientists, and explore AI auditing tools like SHAP or FairLearn. Remember, you don't need to code, you need to understand how to ask the right questions. In banking, AI audit helped detect bias in credit scoring models. In HR, it exposed unfair hiring algorithms. The lesson: AI auditing protects both the organization and the people it serves. AI assurance isn't the future, it's now. As internal auditors, your mission is to ensure AI remains transparent, ethical, and accountable. If you found this guide useful, like, subscribe, and share. And join us for more insights on auditing technology in the age of AI.